Probably the most requested question I've ever gotten in my whole life is how do I target the US market with TikTok organic dropshipping if I don't live there? And there's a very simple trick to this. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video, so watch out. So this is for everybody outside of the US looking to target the US audience. And by the way, this works for not only US, but if you want to target Australia, UK, or whatever you want, same thing applies. So I'm going to show you two methods. The first one has a 90% success rate and it's by far the simplest one, but in some cases it doesn't work. And then we have another method. Let's start with the easiest one. Step 1, remove your SIM card from the iPhone. By the way, you do need an iPhone. If you have some other shitty phone, please get an iPhone, it's worth it. Just like an old one for a couple of $100, it's worth it. You could also technically make it work with some other shit phone, but it's better. Step 2 is factory reset your phone and create a new Apple ID and set it to the United States. Step 3 is turn on airplane mode and then get some sort of paid VPN. It literally doesn't matter which one, just get some paid VPN, set it to United States and never turn it off again. After that, you download TikTok. This works in 90% of the cases. That's going to be fine. It's very, very simple trick, but it works. If this doesn't work for you, then we go to the next method, which is the SIM card VPN strategy. So for this one, you will probably have to buy a new phone because you will have to have a new SIM card, new number and stuff like that, meaning it's going to be super annoying if you do it on your personal phone. So ideally, buy a second phone, then again, an iPhone, preferably an iPhone 11 or even newer, and also make sure that it's fully reset. Then purchase a United States travel SIM and make sure to activate it and put it in your phone, okay? If you don't know exactly how to do that or where to buy it, just DM me on Instagram. We're going to send you like an Amazon link your way and we handle it like that. But basically, you just need a US travel SIM. Step number 3 is start up the iPhone and select the settings as if you were in the United States. Step number 4, again, purchase some sort of VPN, doesn't matter which one, NordVPN, whatever. And again, leave it running forever. So with your VPN turned on and active SIM with service, download TikTok and create an account. And now, congrats, you have your TikTok green card, you officially are in the US. Now, normally I don't make technical videos like this, but because we had so many requests, I wanted to go through that, just so you guys don't have any excuses to not get started. But probably you're gonna find some other excuse now why you cannot start, because you don't have time, because you have this, because you have that. Guys, please accept the fact that if you actually want to make this work, you will be able to. There's literally no excuses at all to not start organic. If you're into dropshipping right now and truly are serious, you should be posting video after video after video. And guess what? Even without the SIM card setup, you should still have posted a bunch of videos. Why? Just to learn the skill. You need to film and edit and post and see resonance and see what's going on. And basically the point of it is not to make sales, not to go viral, no nothing. The point of it is you being good at making videos. If you want us to guide you through this entire process of finding a good product, going viral, making sales, scaling it, outsourcing everything, getting people to do things for you, and only then you can start even thinking about relaxing a little bit. Before you outsource every single step of the process, you will be working like crazy if you start working with me. If you're interested in that, you actually have time and you're dedicated and you truly want to make this work, click the link below and I will talk to you very soon.